Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all events from Google Calendar. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Calendar application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is how can you get the Google Calendar? You can get Google Calendar on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. So just launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Google Calendar and follow through the on-screen instructions to, of course, create your account and hop into the app itself. Now, if you have your Google account already set up or activated on your phone, signing in to Google Calendar would not be a hassle because Google Calendar is integrated into your Google account. So you're going to have an account automatically created for you. So once you sign in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Google Calendar. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to delete all events from Google Calendar on your mobile phone. So as you can see, I have some of my events already created and the events are colored blue. So as you can see, this blue, we have the 100 days of glory, and we have another event created for Thursday, and of course an event scheduled for Sunday rather, which is for that's 1st and 4th. So let's say I want to delete this event from my Google Calendar. All I have to do is to click on the event. So I'm going to click on this one scheduled for the 1st, and it says 100 days of glory. So I'm just going to click on 100 days of glory, and it's going to take me right into the event details. Okay. So we're here, and these are the event details for Thursday, 1st August, and we have that scheduled for 1:30 to 2:30 p.m., 30 minutes before, as my reminder. So if I want to delete this, I'm going to click on the top right corner where I have the three dots menu. So click on that, and you have this extended options, which include delete, duplicate, copy, help, and feedback. So click on delete. So once you click on delete, you're going to see the latest event. You have to confirm that you want to delete it. Now click on the delete button, and you see that that event will be deleted. So we just have the one for 4th. So you can just repeat the process for all other events and you'll be good to go. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.